keep coming back to the journey that has brought not just me here tonight, but also Colin and Wendy, and in a wider way, the people of Warrington. It has been a journey which has involved much hurt and pain. A journey for the Parry and Ball families, which began when the IRA planted a bomb here in Warrington in 1993. For me, it began many years earlier on the streets of Derry in the late 1960s. The partition of Ireland left a system of political and economic discrimination in the north, which set the context for 30 years of conflict on our streets. And I have followed many coffins and stood beside many grieving families in the years since. But there can be no greater tragedy in the life of parents than having to bury their child. The deaths of children as a result of the conflict is something